my name is Rafaiza Moripaga. I'm here to show you how delete face feature works. So next, let's fill the rectangle to make it more smoother and noticeable. To demonstrate the delete face feature, pili, then let's click the edges, and then put one edge. Now, okay, so now in the delete face tool, there are three ways to delete. We have delete and delete in patch and then delete in fill. I will discuss the delete and then delete in patch. My partner will discuss the delete and fill option. Okay, so let's start with the first option, delete. This option simply removes the selected face. Okay, so to find the delete option, let's go to the menu, and then let's find the face and then delete. Okay, so let's delete this part, then delete. So as you can see, after deleting it, a hole is created in the model. That's because the option only delete the face and do not close the gap. So now let's try the delete and patch. This option remove the selected face and then automatically close the hole. Okay, so let's try to delete all the edges. So if delete this part, we will go back to the original rectangle that we created at the start. This happened because delete and patch removes the extra faces and connects the remaining ones, bringing the shape back to its simple form. So let's try only to delete this part there. So this will happen.
Hi, I am Sarah Imayo. So now let's try delete and fill. This option removes the selected face and fills the empty area with a new smooth surface. If we click the delete and fill without tangency and examine the results, it is look like unchanged. But when we move its position, we will see it's been flattened out, unlike before. If we edit the delete face and we click these other three faces to go along with it, then do delete and fill and turn off the tangent fill, you will see that the hole is covered with a new surface that blends with the rest of the model, unlike before. This is great when you want a clean and smooth result. We also have other option. If we click tangent fill, we get a pretty funky looking surface. This shows how different options affect the result with a delete face command. That's all for our video. So thank you for watching.